Okay, we're gonna show you how to install the carbon fiber for your iPhone 4 or iPhone 4S on the back side. First, you have to clean the surface to remove any grease or dirty from the back of your phone. After that, we're gonna peel the carbon fiber from the liner smoothly. Perfect. Then we're gonna align the Apple, the camera, and the flash cutouts with your phone. So we're gonna align it just to have a perfect registration. And after you do that, you apply pressure to remove any bubbles. So this is how your iPhone 4 carbon fiber iCoverSkin will look like. Thank you, and don't forget to visit our site iCoverSkin.com for more products and information.